Welcome to HopeLinks, Midwest Transplant Network's employee communications app. Through HopeLinks, you now have easy access to important information, documents, and highlights of what's going on at our company, directly on your Apple, Android, and other web-enabled devices. Downloading the app is easy. Go to the Apple App Store or Google Play and search for HopeLinks. Once you have downloaded the app, open it and tap Login. Once you do, you'll be prompted to type in your Azure Network credentials. The credentials you enter here will let you use the app on other mobile devices or log in using a web browser. Our employee app has a Facebook-like newsfeed to keep you informed of recent company events. You can also access information and documents by tapping Explore at the bottom of the screen. Your app's most popular content will appear at the top of the screen. Below that, you'll see the various folders and content, which can be sorted by name. If we need to communicate with you immediately, especially in the case of emergencies, we will send out broadcast alerts. These can be read by tapping the bell icon and will also appear on your phone's lock screen. We encourage you to opt in to receive push notifications when you first download the app. At Midwest Transplant Network, we are committed to using the latest in innovative technology to keep us all connected and informed. Please explore HopeLinks and take full advantage of its many features and great content. We hope you enjoy it.